Hey guys, we're back again today, trying our luck. And today we have a winner chicken dinner, two Unos. I can get both numbers in there, and two of the $50,000 celebration, which is what we're starting with. It is a match and win. There is a 2x, 5x, and a 10x, and the odds are 1 in 4.37. We will zoom on in here. Got our Scratch and Mama dog tag available in 8 different colors for $5 each. We have a 6 and a 17, 24, 13, 18 is one off, 21, 8, lucky 20, 28, 27, 19, and a 3, so no match. We need a dollar amount up here. They give us an empty chest. Alright. We have one more of those to try. Looking for 8 and 26. We have lonely number 1. 9 is one off. Lucky 20. 11. 27 is one off. 28. 13. 23. A 3. And a 6. No matches. Can we get a dollar amount? Gave us the sun. Alright, we'll just move on to Uno. Scratch your Uno cards. They give you a color and a number to scratch down here. You complete a whole row, you win the prize. There's a bonus up here. If you get a dollar amount, you win that prize. And let's see, the odds are 1 in 3.99. Let's zoom in a little bit. Alright, we have a green 5, yellow 0, red 7, green 0, blue 7, green 7, red 6, red, why did I say red? Yellow 6, yellow 8, blue 3, a green 8, blue 5, red 8, green 6, red 1, blue 0, green 3, yellow 2, blue 6, blue 1, red 3, yellow 7, blue 4, blue 8, and a yellow 3. So I don't think that one was a winner. The ones we don't have a green. And 2s, we don't have a blue. And the 5, we don't have a red. All right, let's check the bonus. Try again. Well, all right, here we go. We'll try again. Yellow 7. Red 1. Green 4. One green. 2 green. 5 red. Green 0. Blue 7. Blue 9. Blue 5. Green 6. Yellow 1. Yellow 6. Yellow 9. Red 7. Yellow 8. Blue 8. Yellow 0. Blue 0. Red 3. Blue 1. I believe we have a winner there on line 6. Green 3. We have a winner here on line 4. Red 6. Seven green. Our last one is a 9 red. So I believe we have 2 wins on 4 and 6. Let's see what we got on 4. $3. $3. That's $6. See if we got a dollar amount up here. We do. $9. We will take that. All right, and our last ticket of the day is going to be the Winner Chicken Dinner. It is a match and win. The eggs are double. Chicken is 5 times. Trophy is all 15 prizes. On the back, we have the buttermilk biscuit bonus. Still searching for the stick of butter. Odds 1 and 3.91. I'm going to zoom on in here. We're going to use our friend Foo Scratcher's coin. And let's see what our clucky numbers are. 16, lonely number 1, 13, and 31. We have 32 is 1 off. 10. 2 is 1 off. 15's 1 off. 3. 4. 37. Lucky 20. 22. 33. 12 is 1 off. 7. 11. My daughter's birthday, 7/11. 27 and 18. So no matches. Let's see if we can get that stick of butter. A cat, some corn, bale of hay, a barrel, a tractor, and the piggy. All right, guys. Well, out of our 15, we got back 9. We will take that. So if you like what you see, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Post every day at 11 a.m. Central. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye.